I'll walk you through Notion integration so you can send your contacts or groups from CRMchat, from your Telegram to Notion. So let me first show you CRMchat. So this is our interface. I set up the integration between one of my Telegram folders and CRMchat, which means that all contacts or groups that I send to this folder project will be automatically populated into CRMchat. And then I will show you how to create integration with Notion. So all these contacts will be sent to Notion. So let's start with the first step. So this is my Telegram. I send it to the project folder. So now it's here. As soon as I did it, it will be automatically populated here in CRMchat. And let me open my Notion, refresh the screen. Yeah, so here I created a simple database, name, buyer, and Telegram link, and all this information was automatically sent to Notion. So let me show how it works again. Let's find some contact. Gleb Levin. Let's add this contact to projects. So first step, it's in this folder project. Then what it means, it automatically appeared on CRMchat and it's already here in my Notion. Let me show you how this connection works in Zapier. So I created two different Zaps, one for creating contacts and one for updating contacts. Now I'll walk you through this Zap. Let's click Edit. First, you select CRMchat, and as a trigger, contact or chat created. Very straightforward here. Then I created a filter here. It's not necessary. I did it just for the sake of illustration. In this filter, I use two things. First is type of contact exactly matches contact. Another option is group, which means that if I send a contact to CRMchat, I want this contact to be sent to Notion. But if I send a group to CRMchat, then I don't want this Zap to work because I want to keep only personal contacts in my Notion database. But you can do it in other way. For instance, you can create another database for your groups. Here again, I just show you all the possibilities within Zapier. Another thing I used was a special filter for the folders. So I said that select a Telegram folder here in CRMchat. The text exactly matches projects. So this is my, here it is, folder. Why I did this, again, just to show you that this is one of the options. I could create different folders in my Telegram, and for different folders, I could create different integrations. So here the goal is all the contacts from this folder will be sent to Notion. So final step, Notion, and the event is create database item. Then the goal is to map all the properties from Notion database with properties from CRMchat. So here I mapped the name. I'll show you again the Notion database. So it has name, buyer, and Telegram link as most important properties. So I found name and mapped it with name in CRMchat. I found buyer and mapped it with description. That's how Telegram calls buyer information. And this Telegram link property in Notion database was linked with Telegram link property in CRMchat. So far, pretty straightforward. Now let me show you how I created another Zap. for updating contacts. First of all, let me show you how it works. I open my CRMchat and I will update association here, friend, college, family. Just for the sake of illustration, I'll put friend. And what else I'm going to update? Last update. Just had a call. All right. Now this one was updated and another one was updated. So let's pause here. On my Notion, I have this database with two properties, associations and last update. The goal is to create the same properties in CRMchat, so they will be absolutely relevant and absolutely the same. I created this property last update. I created associations. The type of property here is multi-select, so I can select all three if I want. And just to remind you that you can create any property in the settings, custom properties, new property, and we have three options: text, single select, or multi-select. Let's, by the way, get back to Notion and see that it's updated. Yeah, friends, colleague, family. Now let's do it again for Gleb. So, Gleb 11, last update, just met, association, family. Yeah, now it's updated. All right, so let me show you how this Zap works. Contact update. First step is you need to select trigger contact or chat updated in CRMchat. Then you need to add a step, find database item as an action. And yes, this is the name of the database. And now we need to decide how we're going to find this contact. So I'm going to find it by name. I guess that's the best way. Then the next final step is another action called update database item. Here there is one tricky moment. I'll show you how to do it. So you need to show what item you want to update. Here you click on plus and you take this item from the previous step called find database item and you just select ID here. You click ID and then you just need again to map all the properties you want to update. So what I'm updating here, association, you just click plus and find the relevant property in CRMchat. Then I'm updating last update, and yeah, this is it. Don't update anything else. Let me show you one more time how it works. Okay, I am sending the contact to the project folder. All contacts from this project folder are automatically sent to my CRMchat. Let me check that, yeah, Anton is here. And now it triggers new Zap, which creates this new item in my database. Anton, his bio, his Telegram link. Now, when I want to change association, let's put friend, colleague, family, everything. Last update, yo. Let's wait and see how long it takes. Association was updated, last update is already here. This is it. If you have any questions, let us know. We'll help you to set up this integration, or maybe if you want to change it somehow, again, let us know. We'll help you. Thank you. Bye.